This old floor was beyond tired, covered in dust, cracked, and completely worn out, but we saw its potential. The first step? A complete and thorough cleanup. Next, we ground away the old surface to create a perfect clean canvas for the transformation. Every crack was repaired and the entire floor was leveled for a flawless finish. Now for the art. We poured a stunning mix of blue, white, silver, and gold epoxy resins. Each swirl and pattern is carefully crafted, turning the floor into a luxury piece of art. Result: a breathtaking glossy luxury floor that completely transforms the space. Pure art underfoot.